Today, we're comparing the iRobot Roomba Combo Essential and the iRobot Roomba 676. If you're interested in either vacuum, the links will be in the video description, so let's see which one is right for you. Let's explore the design and build of each vacuum cleaner. The Combo showcases a sleek and modern appearance with the iRobot logo prominently displayed and a matte finish, while the 676 presents a glossy finish, giving it a more traditional feel. When examining their undersides, the Combo features a single V-shaped brush and supports mopping with an included mop pad, whereas the 676 boasts dual multi-surface brushes but lacks mopping capabilities. Additionally, the Combo offers a larger dustbin and water tank compared to the 676, providing enhanced cleaning capacity. Now we'll closely examine their cleaning performance. In terms of CFM measurement, both units were quite comparable, with the Combo reaching a maximum of 4.7 CFM and the 676 peaking at 3.9. During our carpet deep clean test, both models achieved a score of 90 out of 100. Next up, let's explore how each model navigates and maps your home. Both vacuums feature a full suite of advanced sensors that allow the robots to navigate under and around furniture and along edges, while Cliff Detect keeps it from falling down the stairs. Both units are lacking LiDAR navigation and camera sensors to allow for advanced mapping and object recognition, or really any mapping for that matter. The good news is the Combo is able to clean row by row, giving you a nice, more thorough and consistent clean every time. This, unfortunately, is absent from the 676. Now let's discuss battery life. The Combo features a 2400 mAh battery offering up to 120 minutes, while the 676 features an 1800 mAh battery providing up to 90 minutes of runtime. Both models automatically return home when the battery is low, which is a good thing. Maintenance is equally straightforward. Just empty the dustbin into the trash can when it's full. For the Combo, refilling the water tank and cleaning the mop pad for mopping is simple and straightforward. Another important factor to consider is the smart features and connectivity options. Each vacuum uses the iRobot Home app, which is available for iOS and Android devices and gives you access to your vacuum right from your smartphone. Set a schedule and forget about it, view your cleaning history, and even clean with your favorite voice assistant. Finally, after learning more about each vacuum, let's talk about overall value. The Combo costs more than the 676, but it is a new release and comes with an upgraded cleaning system and mopping functionality. If you prioritize mopping and more powerful suction and slightly improved navigation, then the Roomba Combo Essential is your best bet. However, if you're seeking affordability with a tried and true vacuum and can forgo mopping, then the 676 offers excellent value.